How to get rid of table lines in Google Docs. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys quickly how you can easily get rid of table lines. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Google Docs and make sure that you have your table here. So if you want to get rid of all of the table lines, what you can do is select the entire table like so. Go to this border width option and then select 0 points. As you can see, the entire table line has disappeared. Now, if you just want to remove table lines for a specific row or column, you could do that as well. So let's say if I want to get rid of lines from the middle row, I'm just going to select the middle row, go here and select 0 points. Now the middle row's table line has disappeared. And if you just want a specific line to disappear, you can click on any one of them lines. So let's say if I want to remove the bottom line of the middle row, I'm just going to go ahead and select the entire middle row first, click on this drop down, and then select the bottom line from here, which is right here. Then once the bottom line is selected, go to border width and select 0. And now you have just removed the bottom line. You could do the same for any one of these as well. And if you want more options, you could just select the entire table, go to format, then from here, you're going to have to simply go ahead and click on the option. Just select the whole table first, like so, and then go to format. Now here you'll see the table format. If you're not able to do that, just select the whole table, right click on it, and then go to table option. And here you can get a lot more customizations. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.